Okay, so good day, sir. I'm Angelique Patrico, your student nurse from Our Lady of Fatima University. And for your verification, sir, may I know your name? How about your birthday, sir?
November 10, 2015.
2015. How old are you, sir?
9 years old.
Okay. So, before we start, I would like to ask, ano po yung prefer ninyong language? Saan po kayo comfortable? Tagalog, English, Taglish? Is noted po, sir. So, I will just explain to you the procedure that I'll be doing. I will be performing a peripheral vascular assessment, and for me to be able to do that, I will be inspecting and palpating your arms and legs, and I will also checking your pulse. This will include your radial, wrist, brachial, popliteal, and near to your ankle. Is it okay with you, sir? Okay, so I will also performing some test to evaluate your blood flow po. Okay lang po ba, sir? Okay, so rest assured, sir, that the documents and findings are completely confidential with me. Hindi ko po ipagsasabi, papakita sa iba. Confidential lamang po sa akin at sa attending physician po ninyo. So, okay. I'll just do the proper hand holding, sir. We want some alcohol po. Okay. I'll make sure, sir, that your privacy is maintained through our procedure po. So, before we begin, I would like to ask a few questions po, sir. Do you have a history of heart condition? May mga wala. Ayan. So, varicose veins, may pamamaga po ba dyan sa ugat ninyo? Wala naman. So, arterial disease, wala. Meron. So, high blood pressure. Ayan. Gaano makadalas nag-exercise sa isang linggo? Gaano makadalas nag-exercise? Isang araw, gano'n, dalawa, araw-araw. Okay. So, naniligarilyo ka po ba? Okay. Umiinom ng alak? Okay rin. So, pwede po ba kayong humiga, sir? Komportable na po ba kayo sa ganyan? So, okay, sir. I would start inspecting your skin color, texture, and any presence of edema in your skin. Okay. Okay. Proceeding to palpating your pulses. I'll start to release. Your brachial. The purpose of this is to check for its symmetry and strength. Papito. Sir, sabihan niyo lang po ako kung nakakaramdam ka po ng pain. Okay lang po ba po? Okay. So far, it seems like normal. Okay. I will now going to check the temperature to your skin, and I will also checking if there is any tenderness to your muscles. din naman. So, sir, I'm going to squeeze your nail beds and to see how fast to kung gaano kabilis bumalik sa dating color. Tignan niyo po ito. Anong kulay niya?
Red.
Kapag ginano ko, nagbabago yung kulay niya. O, tignan natin. We'll do this too. Cylinder tunnels. Okay, sir. The findings seems normal overall. If there is any unusual or abnormalities, I will directly report this to your attending physician right away po, sir. Kapag may nakita po kaming abnormalities, sasabihin mo po agad yung attending physician mo at sa'yo din po. So, do you have clarification, questions? May mga katanungan po ba kayo? Wala naman po, sir. So, that concludes our assessment for today, sir. Thank you for your cooperation po. Have